I will not fail you. However, there will be times when you will experience pain. Pain is hard to accept and live with, but you will survive. I love you. Hey, I care about you. How are you doing these days? Come, talk to me. I love you. I know that there is a fear inside of you of feeling unworthy at times. I know that you hurt. You don't need to hide from me. I'm here for you. I love you. Do not be afraid. I will go ahead of you and light the path for you. I love you. I want you to be free. Let go of your pain and allow me to take it. Do not suffer alone any longer. It is your choice whether to follow me or not. I do not want to force you. I want you to freely choose me. I love you. I want you to treat people with respect and love. If they do not treat you the same, allow me to handle it. It's okay, my child. I know that you are hurting and that you are unsure of what is causing you to feel this way. I am with you. I love you. Your failures do not make you worthless. Get up. I can and will restore you. Give me your concerns. You don't need to fear, but I understand because it is a human emotion. You will not take your money, cars, clothes, houses, etc. to the afterlife. Focus on living life the correct way that I desire for you to live. Your life is not measured by the amount materialistic things you own. Focus on what truly matters. I love you. I have placed great people in your life. I need you to express gratitude towards them. They love you. I will set you free. I will make your darkness light. I love you. I see the evil going on in the world. I mourn with you. I know times are hard. You are not alone. You are loved more than you can imagine. Pick your head up. You are enough. Before you give up, I want you to pray to me. Ask me for guidance. I'm here. Love you.